number 10, Pinterest. The app that started in 2010 has mainly women using their platforms. 72% actually. I mean, I like Pinterest. Number 9, Discord. Not that began back in 2015. Kinda boring to be honest. But at the same time makes you feel like you're part of some kind of exclusive club with people who share similar interests as you. To be honest, unless you're joining someone famous in Discord chat, there's not much room for any growth over there. So alright, number 8, Tumblr. Kind of an old site, to be honest. It started in 2007. Doesn't really have all that much going on for it anymore, but I've heard that it's a site for people to look at inspirational pictures of stars. Number 7, Facebook. The place you used to go to stalk your ex, to chat with your BFF, or to post those post-vacation selfies. Plus, I mean, the Minion memes of 2017, they were kinda too much for me, you know. Yeah, you know. Plus, 350 million photos are actually uploaded to Facebook every day. Okay. Ooh. Number 6, WhatsApp. Look at that. Another Facebook app. That was getting way too out of pocket the other day. You don't see my phone that will even reach us. Anyway, number 5, Snapchat. I don't know about you, but I only use Snapchat for the filters. Snapchat kinda just make people steal them stories feature to the point where even Twitter has it. But nobody even uses Fleet anyways, so you don't know, so Twitter soon remove that. By the way, real quick, if your Snapchat username that you made back in 2015 is something cringy, that rough on your side stills. Alright, so you guys probably saw this one coming, but number 4 is TikTok. Started as Musical.ly, now it's called TikTok. And I don't know, man, but you see, in the nights them when I'm hella bored, TikTok is the place where I go to. Not even YouTube more while. TikTok. That being said, TikTok is highly controversial, so take it with a grain of salt. And you know, go watch my Then vs Now video of TikTok. TikTok Then vs Now. Link in description or up there. Yeah, up there. Yeah. Come, Lara. Let's go. Woo! Alright, so let's actually set it down for the top 3. Alright, so in the top 3 we have this, and that. But which one's to around? Alright, so you know what? Before we actually get into these, we're going to do some quick honorable mentions. There's Twitch, the streaming service that you may or may not use, but I'm sure you've heard about. Telegram, the app that skyrocketed in popularity because of WhatsApp almost fumbling their bag the other day. Then of course there's Reddit. I've never used it before, but based on some of the memes that I've seen from the app, it seems to be a pretty funny app sometimes. Otherwise, some of its users tend to cross the line. I'm looking at you, Giovanni. And Skype, the OG video calling platform. I never really got my Skype account to work, but you know, it's a legend same way. Zoom and Google Meet kinda take it over now, but such is life. You catch that? Great. Alright, so let's actually start ranking them. So number 3, we have YouTube. The site I go on literally every single day, and it's not just because I'm a creator, but because it's so entertaining, so helpful, and just so overall diverse. You can literally find the answer to almost anything on YouTube. So that puts it at number 3. And next, at number 2, I'm going to place Instagram, and at number 1, Twitter. Here's why. Okay, so obviously, IG is a super fun app. It's a great place to market, expand your business, make connections, network, and get to know diverse people and connect with them through DMs and such. And more, it's becoming a place for businesses and connections to flourish. But that's the thing. It's almost all about business, and it's kind of losing sight of its roots, where people could post pictures and they wouldn't be washed out by ads every couple scroll that you make. Personally, I don't have that big of an issue with it because I mean Instagram tailors the ads to what it is that you're interested in or what they think you're interested in. But I do know a lot of people who hate that about IG and wish that IG would just go back to the way how it was in like 2016, 4 years ago. Wait, 5 years ago. 2021 no. No sir. And that's for Twitter. No, they ain't saints over there either. The way them come put up fleets for no reason, me have to wonder. Because when is the last time you opened up fleets? I can't remember the last time I opened up a single fleet on that app. I think it was like probably in the first week that it did come out. But I mean, other than that, Twitter is Twitter, you know, the source of the most credible news out there. And on top of that, there's kind of this whole sense of community on Twitter. You know, people can be talking about a trending topic or sharing the same sentiments towards a particular topic that's going on, and you probably won't even have to say it explicitly for you to really catch on and be in the know about what's happening currently. And I mean, once you can look past its whole toxicity and, you know, the drama and its messiness, it's one of the best social media apps out there, and for that reason I put it at #1. A lot of y'all might disagree about that one though, so let me know what your top 3 are in the comments below. That's really been it though. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and yeah, Shamar Crossfield. What am I doing, man? What am I doing?